Let me ask you something. When was the last time you really thought about your bank? Not just the name printed on your debit card, but the services, the accessibility, the customer support. The truth is, most of us open an account and rarely look back. But in 2025, with rapid digital transformation and rising expectations around the customer service, choosing the right bank could mean the difference between financial stress and financial freedom. And today we're diving into the very best national and super regional banks that are raising the bar this year. Whether you're looking for a strong online platform, low fees, expansive ATM access, or just better customer service, this list has something for everyone. Starting us off is none other than JPMorgan Chase. With a network of over 4,700 branches and a staggering 15,000 ATMs scattered across the United States, Chase isn't just a bank. It's practically a financial institution woven into the fabric of American life. But what really sets Chase apart in 2025 is the seamless integration between their brick and mortar services and their digital platforms. Think of it like this. You can walk into a Chase branch in the heart of Manhattan or make a mobile deposit while sipping coffee in rural Montana. The experience is smooth, intuitive, and built with the customer in mind. Whether you're managing a personal checking account or exploring investment options, Chase delivers on versatility, accessibility, and trust. Now, if you're the kind of person who wants everything in one place, checking, savings, investing, mortgage, credit cards, Bank of America may just be your match made in financial heaven. In 2025, BAFA continues to stand tall as a juggernaut of full-spectrum financial services. Their mobile banking app is one of the most user-friendly in the market. Their educational tools for financial literacy are second to none, and their client-first approach makes them a standout choice for individuals and families alike. And let's not forget about their Preferred Rewards program, which gives you better interest rates, lower fees, and more perks the longer you stay. It's one of those banks where loyalty actually pays off. Wells Fargo has had its ups and downs over the years, but in 2025, it's carving out a space as a customer service powerhouse with a renewed focus on transparency and relationship banking. The bank's new initiatives focus on community banking, meaning you're not just a number. Their local branches are now designed more like service lounges than traditional banks, and their staff are trained to handle everything from everyday transactions to life-altering financial decisions. For folks who value that face-to-face interaction, where your banker knows your name and actually understands your financial goals, Wells Fargo is making a strong case to be your go-to. Always on the move? Then Citibank might just be your financial soulmate. Citibank shines when it comes to international access and global mobility. With a footprint in nearly 100 countries, Citibank makes it incredibly easy to move money, manage accounts, and access services no matter where in the world you are. Their global presence is a game changer for digital nomads, international students, and business professionals. And the best part? Their multi-currency accounts and no foreign transaction fee cards make international banking feel local. Let's talk small business, because if you're a business owner, you know that banking isn't just about keeping money safe. It's about enabling growth, managing cash flow, and having a partner you can rely on. U.S. Bank excels in this department, offering highly customizable accounts, lines of credit, and financing solutions specifically designed for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Their customer service is tailored, not templated, and that makes all the difference. In a world where small businesses are the heartbeat of the economy, having a bank that actually supports your grind is invaluable. Of course, not everyone wants to walk into a branch. For the tech-savvy, the minimalists, or those who just prefer doing everything from their phone, online banks have become incredibly attractive and incredibly competitive. Let's talk about a few that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. Ally Bank remains a top performer with its sleek digital interface, zero maintenance fees, and high-yield savings options. It's practically built for digital natives who want ease without sacrificing earnings. Then, there's Discover Bank, blending solid savings options with the cashback perks of a credit card powerhouse. If you love rewards, Discover's checking accounts are a hidden gem. Charles Schwab Bank continues to win hearts among international travelers. With unlimited global ATM rebates and zero foreign transaction fees, it's almost too good to be true, but it's very real. And let's not forget UFB Direct, which has some of the highest APYs out there. If maximizing your savings is the goal, UFB gives your money room to grow fast, without all the fees. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to the best banks in 2025. So tell us, what do you value most in a bank? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-smart content, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to banking smarter in 2025.